What's up, tubers? I just had this problem and I want to share with you how I found my way around this. So we got a master lock box. I call it a realtor box because that's what they used to be. But man, I changed my combination on here like last year, and when I did it, I'll tell you exactly what I did. I had a brain fart. So let's say I wanted to go with combination 000. For some reason or another, I was thinking I wanted to go with 0001. So when I went to open this up the other day, I type in 000. Wouldn't open. So I'm trying all my other different possible combinations, 4-letter codes, last 4 of my social security, last 4 of my address, my phone numbers, the first 4. I couldn't figure it out. And this was locked on a handrail at my front door. So here's how I solved the problem. You're gonna need a shim, and I made a shim. This is what I used. I made a shim out of a Coke bottle, and what we need to do is, let's see if I can show you. You need to stick it into the left side of the wheel and put a little tension on it up on the wheel. So I know how you are, YouTubers. You want to know, how did I make the shim? Saying that it's made out of a Coke can isn't enough for you. You got to see it done. All right, so let me show you. Get your piece of Coke can and a scissors. Here's what I did. And I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this right here for you. So first off, clean up the edges. Make a nice little square thing. I'm going to cut that right down the upper stripe, because that right there is going to be my shim edge. And then what I did was cut a little L piece. See, that's going to be my shim. But this right here, let's go ahead and get that shim kind of ready. Now we'll fine tune this in a second. But let's make a handle. Fold it. See what I did? And then keep folding that. See what I've done? So this is my thick part. See what we're doing? Now you just keep on folding that until it all folds up. And then what I would do is get something to crease it out. Now that's your handle. Now we need to fine tune the shim. And here's what I did. Just kind of give it a little bit of a, I guess you'd call this a trapezoidal shape here. That's all you need. And let's see how that matches up to the one I made. Pretty much the same. Okay, so you can clean it up even better. Clean up the handle. Nice sharp edge there. Okay, so starting with the first one right here. put that shim in, angle it down towards the bottom, and then once you get it in, and it's only going in not even a half of an inch. You want to put a little tension on it like that. Because what you're going to do is, every time you click the numbers, we're going to feel for it changing. So I'm going to use my pick here. Ah, you see that? It just went up. Now to confirm that, we go one more, and watch this. It pushes the shim back up. So we go back to where we were, where it leveled out, and that's our first one. So our first number is going to be 2. I'm just changing these numbers up because I know the combination now and I know what I'm doing. I'm just showing you how to do this. So second wheel, same thing. Click a number, no change. 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 Ooh, click a number, it changed. Now to confirm that, we go one more and watch the shim. It moved up. So we go back to where it all leveled out. So now our first 2 numbers are going to be 21. Remember that. Okay, shim in on the third. Change a number, nothing, no change. No change. Change a number, no change. Change a number. Ooh, that felt like a change. Now to confirm it, we go one more number. Yeah, something's not, ooh, I just crushed this. So let's back up a couple numbers because we're close. Put the shim in. Click a number, no change. Click a number, oh, see that? It leveled out. To confirm it, go one more and watch the thing move. It moved up. So we go back to the number where it leveled out, 21.99. Shim in on the last one. Get a little tension on there. Click the number, no change. Click the number. Ooh, look at that, that moved. We got change. Now let's confirm it by going one more and watch the lever moved up. So we know our number where it's all lined up is 21.99. Okay, let me show you what is going on inside the wheel that you're turning. So this is a sideways view of it. This is kind of what I call the keyway slot. But you got 4 of them and they're all going to be in 4 different positions. And what we got to do is we got to line them all up together. So here is our shim. And I'm going to, just for better reference, we're going to use this because it shows up a little bit better as a shim. So right here, so we keep turning this and we put tension on it, nothing changes. Turn it, click, nothing changes. At a certain point, turn it, click, nothing happens. At a certain point, we're going to get this. Boom. That's where the shim moved down and went into that slot. And then the way we confirmed it, remember? We did it on another click, and we do it another click, it goes like that, turn it back, boom. That gives us our number where all of these wheels are lining up. And then after we get all 4 of those lined up, then it's just a matter of 1, 2, 3. They all line up. It'll show your combination right here and open up. That $21.99, now I can tell you that's not the combination, but that is the combination across there. So the combination is somewhere in here. Now I can promise you this, because I've already done the homework. If you add 3 to this, you're going to have the opening. So $21.99 does not open this. But if you go 1, 2, 3, move all of them down 3 more. 1, 2, 3. That is the combination. This and this, a Coke can and a pair of scissors or whatever it takes to make that shim will get you in. So let's just do this one more time. We know we are at the combination. Let's change it up. We're rotating the numbers down. I don't know why I'm repeating myself, because you can rewind on the video. But let's just reconfirm this. That one right there. Oh, but that's our number. So we knew our number was $21.99. So let's just go like this and see if we can feel it and watch it perform properly on position number 3. So again, there's the shim in, 1 number, no change, 1 number, no change, 1 number, no change, 1 number, no change. Boom, there's your change. To confirm it, move the flag, move the shim back up, back up. Very easy to do. I hope this helps. Give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, because 98 out of 100 of you are not subscribers, hit that subscribe button. So if anybody needs a combination to my house, this is what it used to be. There's nothing in there anyways. All right, man. We'll see you on another video.